How to download Google Lens on iPhone. Are you guys facing issues to download Google Lens on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now tap on search bar and search for Google Lens. After you search for it, you can see the icon for Google Lens over here. Just click on the second option. Now tap on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might take some time. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, Google Lens has been installed on our iPhone device. Just simply tap and open. And that's it guys, that's how you can install Google Lens on our iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.